In this video, we're going to dive into how to use Salesflare for recruiting, specifically how this powerful CRM can streamline your hiring process and help you find the best talent faster. Stick around until the end because I'm going to share some tips that can make your recruiting efforts more efficient, plus an exclusive extended free trial offer just for you. Now, let's get into it. Salesflare is an intuitive CRM that automates a lot of your manual tasks, which is especially valuable when you're recruiting. It pulls data from emails, calendars, and social media, giving you all the information you need about potential candidates in one place. This can save you a ton of time compared to manually tracking everything. One of the standout features of Salesflare for recruiting is its ability to organize and follow up with leads in an efficient manner. When you add a new candidate to your system, Salesflare automatically creates a detailed profile. It not only tracks your interactions with them, but also sorts through your past communications, so you don't have to spend time searching through emails. If you're hiring for multiple roles, this feature really helps you stay on top of who you've contacted and when. Another great aspect of Salesflare is its automation. You can set up workflows that automatically send follow-up emails to candidates. For example, if you've had an interview with someone, you can schedule an automatic follow-up email in case you haven't heard from them. This ensures no candidates slip through the cracks and helps maintain a good communication flow. Now, let's talk about tracking tasks and reminders. Recruiting involves managing many candidates and keeping track of their progress throughout the interview process. With Salesflare, you can create tasks directly tied to a candidate's profile, like scheduling interviews or sending contract offers. You can even assign deadlines, so you never miss an important step. This eliminates the need for sticky notes or separate to-do lists. Another key feature for recruiting is its team collaboration options. Salesflare allows your team to work together on the same candidate profiles, making it easy to share notes, update candidate statuses, and communicate in real time. If you have multiple team members involved in the recruitment process, this can streamline your work and ensure everyone is on the same page. Salesflare also integrates with various tools you may already be using for recruiting, like LinkedIn or your email marketing system. These integrations mean you don't have to jump between platforms, and everything you need to communicate with candidates is in one place. This is critical for time-sensitive hiring, especially when you're dealing with a lot of applicants. If you're looking for ways to boost your recruiting efficiency, Salesflare is an excellent tool to consider. You can use it to manage your leads, schedule follow-ups, track tasks, and collaborate with your team, all from a single platform. It's really about reducing your manual workload so you can focus on what matters most, finding the right candidates. And here's the best part. You can start using Salesflare for free with our exclusive bonuses. Click the first link in the description below to get started, and don't forget to take advantage of that extended free trial offer. Trust me, it'll help you save time, streamline your recruitment process, and find the perfect candidates faster. Make sure to check out the link below, and I'll see you in the next video.